those who have an underlying health condition that puts them at risk to be offered a vaccine. And then autumn, 2.5 million people could be getting that first dose of the vaccine. That's all eligible. It's by far the biggest vaccination program in Wales, isn't it?
Tell me about this.
Guys, this is absolutely yummy. Or in my case, was yummy because I've eaten it all in double quick time. Superb taste. Absolutely, excuse me, beautiful, absolutely stunning.
How we are doing? Before I start to show you what I'm cooking today, I just want to appreciate everybody who has been so supportive each time I upload a video. I just want to appreciate everybody who has been so supportive, you know, towards my growth as a YouTuber. I say thank you, God bless you. In fact, guys, I'm so grateful. Thank you, all of you. And I say make a shout out love to everybody in the building. Yes, let's crack on. I'm gonna wash the pineapple in soapy water, you know. Need thorough washing. See? Guys, I'm going to wash the pineapple thoroughly with soap. Look. You know? Gonna be washed. Gonna wash the pineapple. You can see the pineapple here. I'm making pineapple fried rice. Okay, that's the pineapple. I will show you how I'm gonna chop it up and scoop out the pineapple inside. Okay, and I'm gonna dish the fried rice inside the pineapple. Yeah. So these are the spices I'm using: turmeric, ginger powder, garlic powder. I got my kingpram here. I got my Maggi. I got my chopped chicken breast. I got my green chili pepper. I got my sweet green pepper chopped. I got my spice to put. I got my garden peas. I got my chopped carrots. I got my sweet bell pepper. I got my onions and spring onions there. A little bit of fresh garlic is in there. So let's come over here. That is the saucepan. I'm gonna be boiling the rice. If I boil the rice, so firstly I'm gonna tip in the rice. Okay, the fresh rice in the boiling water. Okay. So I will allow it to boil before I wash it. I'm gonna wash it twice. Okay, guys. As you can see, the rice has been washed. Yeah, and I put turmeric powder and healthy butter to cook my rice. Okay, I'm gonna tip in some little water. After it has cooked, I want it to go fluffy. Okay, not sticky, fluffy. Now, yeah. So I'm gonna cover it to cook. The rice has been cooked. You see how fluffy the rice is? Not sticky, very, very fluffy. Look, it's been cooked. I'm going to cut the pineapple now. This knife, I'm fighting with this knife. It's not sharp at all. The knife is not sharp. We have a horrible knife in the house. At last I got there, guys. The knife, all the knife in the house here, they are not sharp at all. That is the pineapple split into two. So I'm gonna scoop out all. Okay. What I'm doing now, you just slice the middle and start taking them out. Okay. And start bringing them out with like this. Okay. Okay, guys, look. This is how we're gonna do them. Okay, guys, that is the chopped pineapple. Yeah, for the fried rice. Okay, the two those are the pineapple now. Look at it. Where I'm gonna be putting in the pineapple fried rice. That is the second one because we are two, so I have to make two. One each for each person. So my frying pan, my pan is on the fire. So I'm gonna start cooking now. I'm gonna tip in my oil. Okay. Then I'm gonna fry the chicken. There's some green chili pepper in there. I'm gonna fry the chicken. Put in my onions and garlic and ginger and spring onions and fry them all together. Put in my bay leaf in there. So whatever you fancy you put, okay? You don't have to follow my method. Put in my Maggi cube in there. I'm frying the chicken first with the prawn. King prawn go in there. So the chicken has been fried with the king prawn, onions, garlic, ginger, bay leaf. So now I'm gonna put in my carrots. Okay? The carrot gonna go in there. I'm not gonna allow it to cook and get soft. No, I want it to be crunchy when we are eating it. Okay, guys? So I'll put in my sweet pepper. Okay, sweet pepper go in there. Both green and red goes in there. Okay. Then my peas will go in there. My garden peas goes in there. Okay. Can you see all the color banging? Rainbow color. Healthy. Okay. So just give it some minutes to cook. Not overcook. Like I said before, the carrot has to be crunchy when you eat it. I don't want it to over soft. So I'm going to put in the rice now. Now guys, I'm gonna tip in my chopped pineapple. Look at it there. I'm gonna go in there in the rice. Guys, can you see the color? All these are natural color. Turmeric, I used to boil the rice. I didn't put coloring. I wouldn't put color in my food, you know. I like to eat healthy. Okay, guys, it's ready now. Can you see how steaming hot? Pineapple fried rice with sliced chicken breast and king prawn. My fave, king prawn. Can you see that? Look at that. Oh, guys.
Some of them fortunately were able to come in and be with their loved ones while they were passing away. You know, I think at the end of the day, you will need a lot of support to get through it. You know, myself personally, will need some counselling.
Oh, guys.
Some of them fortunately were able to come in and be with their loved ones while you were passing away. You know, I think at the end of the day, you will need a lot of support to get through it. You know, myself personally, will need some counselling, as it has been hard.
Tell me about this.
Guys, this is absolutely yummy, or in my case, was yummy because I've eaten it all in double quick time. Superb taste, absolutely, excuse me, beautiful, absolutely stunning.
Guys, look. It's all empty. Look inside. I really enjoyed that, man. Oh my God, that was beautiful. Look. See how we scoop inside. Oh, that was gorgeous, man. Stunning.